Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 15. If we start with this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4. Don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 2, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 covering both of these boxes, so our 8 must be here. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. Don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. If we look at this row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1, 5, 7. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box now, we're just missing a 7. Oh, and this 5 makes this our 1. For this box, we're missing 2 and 4. I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column now, we're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. Oh, and this 2 makes this our 4, 2. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row, we're missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.